In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Basta. This particular ransomware is able to damage all the files that the customers store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. The ransomware encrypts these files and does not allow people to use them anymore. Also, this ransomware is restarting the computer without the user's command. So this is what happens after the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Basta extension. And it also changes the desktop background, saying that your network is encrypted by the Black Basta group. So Basta is the extension added by this particular ransomware. First thing we recommend you to do, of course, is not to follow the misleading guidelines by this ransomware, because it will tell you to pay the special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom definitely doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so please don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to check the task manager of your computer. Look for any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, like this one, and end its task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. And so after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program will begin scanning and researching your computer. While this scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to protect all your data from being damaged and encrypted in the future. But this feature is, of course, the part of the premium license. You may add one or several folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats revealed during the scan. And we recommend upgrading to premium to make sure that all these threats are effectively deleted from your computer.